This video is copyright protected, which is detailed on the last slide. Throughout this module, you will learn how to research a plow transfer using the Fisher eMatch system, as well as the many resources available on the Fisher website. This video will cover a wide range of scenarios to assist you with the most common plow transfer situations. One tool that is helpful and recommended to use during the plow transfer research is our eMatch tool. This tool is located in the upper right-hand corner of the Fisher website. It is the responsibility of the installer to thoroughly review the condition of any electrical components being transferred. It is also the responsibility of the installer to exercise extreme caution when routing harnesses during an electrical transfer. It is highly recommended by Fisher Engineering that all vehicle side electrical components be replaced with new components when transferring electrical systems. The components that can vary from truck to truck include the mount, headlamp harness, and isolation module. Also, due to certain weight restrictions, approved plow applications will vary for each vehicle. It is important to look over these components when researching a plow transfer. Before beginning, there are a few details you should gather about your snowplow before moving forward. First, it is important to determine what model plow you have, as well as which electrical system it uses. Questions that you should be able to answer before researching your transfer are: is the plow an original minute mount or minute mount 2? Please note that a minute mount setup will not fit on a 2007 and newer Chevy GMC and Toyota Tundra due to the fitting of the headgear to the bumper. Other questions include: how many plugs do you have at the grill of the truck that plug into the plow? Do you have an isolation module system or a headlight relay system? Depending on the electrical system, you will have either 2 or 3 plugs coming out of the grill. If your system has 3 plugs, it is important to know whether you are using a 3-port isolation module or a 4-port isolation module. A 3-port isolation module has 3 harness plugins, A, B, and C, and the 4-port isolation module has 4. Because the 3-port and 4-port isolation module differ from each other, they use different headlamp harnesses that are not interchangeable between the two. If your system has 2 plugs, it is important to know whether it's an older 2-plug headlight relay system or a multiplex 2-plug isolation module system. Some newer trucks with new style lights will not be compatible with the older relay lighting and 4-port module lighting system. In these cases, you will have to upgrade the plow's lighting and electrical system to the 3-port module. Tech Service Bulletin 0408 provides a chart that determines which truck models by year are compatible with the 2-plug relay system. Now we'll go over some of the most common plow transfer scenarios. Scenario 1. A user has an 8.5 XV2 with a 2-plug 3-port isolation module system. The user wants to put their plow on a new truck. The plow was originally on a 2005 Dodge Ram 2500 SLT. They want to put the plow on a 2015 Chevy 2500 HD. This plow transfer scenario can easily be done by using the eMatch system. First, gather the original truck's information and input that information into the eMatch system. When entering the truck's information, ensure that you are checking the build date and weight information of that specific truck, as well as identifying the vehicle's headlamp type. After you have entered the original truck's information into the eMatch system, you will be able to gather the part numbers for the isolation module, headlamp harness, and mount. These are the components that vary from truck to truck and may need to be changed. Next, enter the new truck's information into the eMatch system. Ensure on the second page that the plow you are going to be transferring is listed in the blade type drop-down. If the blade you are transferring is not listed, then we do not recommend putting that specific plow on that truck. If the blade is listed, then select the blade and control type to move on to the third page. Check to see if there are any changes in the headlamp harness, module, and mount kit. In this scenario, the module stays the same, but in order to transfer the plow successfully from the 2005 Dodge Ram 2500 to the 2015 Chevy 2500, you would need to change the mount kit and the headlamp harness. Everything else will transfer over. Scenario 2. The user has a 3-port 3-plug wiring system already installed on their truck and wants to buy a new straight blade plow that uses the multiplex 2-plug wiring system. This scenario has 3 options. the user can wire the truck as a 2-plug multiplex system by stripping some of the vehicle side wiring and installing the necessary multiplex wiring. This option consists of stripping the motor relay, battery cables, control harness, and the 29047 adapter. The multiplex battery cable, control harness, and control would then have to be installed. The second option would be to use a 49663 conversion kit, which will provide the user with the necessary components to convert the plow side into a 3-plug system. This will make the plow compatible to the truck's original wiring. The third option is to dual wire the truck. This may be a viable option if you are running both 3-plug and 2-plug plows on that truck. Scenario 3. The user has a 4-port 3-plug wiring system and wants to take that wiring and plow off of one truck and put it on another. Some newer style headlamps will not be compatible with the 4-port module lighting system, so understanding what type of headlights the new truck has is important. If the headlights of the original truck are the same as the new truck, then you will be able to transfer everything over to the new truck. If the headlights differ from the original vehicle to the new vehicle, then we recommend updating the vehicle's lighting system to a 3-port 3-plug system. This information can be found by inputting the truck's information into the eMatch system. Scenario 4. The user has a 4-port 3-plug electrical system installed on their truck. The user purchases a new 2-plug straight blade Fleet Flex plow and wants to put that plow on their existing truck that is wired as a 4-port 3-plug system. In this case, there are two options that can be made. You can use the 49663 conversion kit and convert the plow into a 3-plug system, or you can convert the truck side into a 2-plug Fleet Flex wiring system. Converting the truck side to a 2-plug Fleet Flex system will require you to strip the battery cables, control harness, and motor relay. You will then have to install the Fleet Flex control harness, battery cable, as well as the 29175 adapter. The 29175 adapter will allow you to run a 2-plug Fleet Flex wiring system with a 4-port module. Scenario 5. In the case that a user wants to transfer a 2-plug relay straight blade plow onto a truck, it is important to refer back to the Fisher Bulletin 0408 to ensure that the truck they are transferring the plow to is compatible for the 2-plug relay system. In most cases, we recommend updating the plow and truck to a 3-port 3-plug electrical system. This can be done with a wiring conversion kit. A 49665 contains the wiring needed for converting a 2-plug relay style plow into a 3-plug wiring system. This will also give you the wiring needed for the vehicle side, except for the vehicle's specific headlamp harness, module, and customer's preference on control. You will also need to buy the plow side 11-pin lighting harness, part number 26347. Besides the eMatch tool, another handy tool to reference for a plow transfer is the wiring conversion kit, parts list and installation instructions, literature number 49666, revision 1. This literature contains 3 conversion kits that may be useful for your straight blade plow transfer. The kits include a 49663, a 49664, and a 49665. A 49663 kit can be used to convert a 2-plug plow into a 3-plug wiring system. This will give the user all the necessary plow side components to rewire the plow for a 3-plug setup. A 49664 kit contains all the vehicle side wiring for a 3-plug wiring system. This will supply the user with all the necessary components except for the control, the truck's specific headlamp harness, and isolation module. A 49665 kit contains both the 49663 and the 49664. This will provide you with both the plow and the vehicle side wiring for a 3-plug wiring system. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you gained a brief knowledge on how to research a plow transfer. If you have any questions or concerns regarding your plow transfer, please contact Fisher Technical Service for further guidance.